Welcome to this captivating lesson on food and nutrition. In this presentation, we will explore the nutrients your body needs, their sources, functions, and how to maintain a balanced diet. Food is any substance that we eat or drink to keep our body alive. It helps us grow, stay healthy, and gives us the energy to work and play. Without food, our bodies would become weak and unable to perform daily tasks. Let's take a look at the different forms of food. Foods come in different forms: solid, liquid, and even gas. Solid foods keep their shape and do not flow. Examples include rice, yam, bread, and meat. Liquid foods can flow and take the shape of any container. Examples are milk, pap, and fruit juice. Some foods contain gases, especially fizzy drinks. These gases, like carbon dioxide, make the drinks bubble and fizz. There are three main types of food based on what they do for the body. 1. Energy-giving foods, such as rice and yam, give us strength to move and play. 2. Bodybuilding foods, such as beans and eggs, help us grow and repair the body. 3. Protective foods, like fruits and vegetables, protect us from sickness. Let us now look at what nutrition is. Nutrition refers to the process by which living organisms take in food and use it for growth, repair, and energy. Without proper nutrition, the body cannot function effectively. Nutrition is important because it gives the body energy, helps us grow, and repairs tissues. It also helps maintain normal body functions like breathing, movement, and blood circulation. There are 6 major nutrients the body needs. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They are found in foods like bread, rice, and yam. Proteins help build and repair body tissues. They are found in foods like meat, beans, and eggs. Fats provide long-term energy and help insulate the body. They are found in oils, butter, and groundnuts. Vitamins help protect the body from diseases. Each vitamin has a specific role. For example, vitamin A improves eyesight. Vitamin C helps heal wounds, and vitamin D strengthens bones. Examples are fruits and vegetables. Minerals like calcium build strong bones, while iron helps in making blood. They are found in milk, meat, and green vegetables. Water makes up over half of our body weight. It carries nutrients around the body and regulates our temperature. A balanced diet is one that contains all nutrients in the right proportions. This means that you should eat carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water in the right proportions. Eating a balanced diet every day helps the body stay strong, prevents malnutrition, and supports healthy growth. Remember, no single food contains all the nutrients you need. So, variety is the key to eating right. Malnutrition is caused by eating too little or too much of some nutrients. It includes undernutrition and overnutrition. Let's dive into some examples of malnutrition. Kwashiorkor is caused by protein deficiency, leading to swollen bellies. Marasmus results from a lack of both protein and energy. Obesity is caused by eating too much fat or sugar. To stay healthy, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drink water regularly. And avoid sugary snacks. Let's check your understanding with a short quiz. Here are 4 multiple-choice questions. Number 1. Which of the following is a bodybuilding nutrient? Is it A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, or D. Vitamins? Number 2. A deficiency in protein may lead to A. Marasmus, B. Obesity, C. Kwashiorkor, or D. Rickets. Number 3. Which food is a good source of carbohydrates? Is it A. Egg, B. Rice, C. Fish, or D. Orange? Number 4. Water helps the body to A. Build muscles, B. Provide calcium, C. Carry nutrients, or D. Make blood cells. Now try these 3 short answer questions. Question 1. Mention 2 sources of vitamins. Question 2. What is malnutrition? Question 3. State 1 function of minerals in the body. Great job reviewing. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.